Good morning, Saints. Good Friday marks the darkest day in human history, yet it became the foundation of our greatest hope. As Jesus hung on the cross, bearing the weight of our sin and shame, he uttered the victorious words, "It is finished." In that moment, the veil was torn, the power of sin was broken, and the grip of death was shattered. The cross was not a defeat, but a declaration that God's love had triumphed. Jesus didn't just die for us, he died as us, paying the price we could never afford to pay. The victory of Good Friday is not found in avoiding pain, but in what Jesus accomplished through it. Because of his sacrifice, we are redeemed, restored, and reconciled with the Father. The blood that flowed on Calvary speaks a better word, one of mercy, grace, and eternal life. Today we don't mourn as those without hope. We remember with gratitude and rejoice in the truth that because Jesus died, we can live. Victory belongs to Jesus, and through him, that victory is also ours. May you be blessed. Shalom.